When I was a child, I never imagined that one day I would speak English in front of thousands of people. I came from a small town, failed many times, and had very little confidence. But everything changed the moment I decided to improve myself a little bit every day. That is what I want to share with you today. A simple daily routine that can slowly transform your English. You don't need special talent. You don't need to travel abroad. What you need is consistency, interest, and the courage to keep going. People often ask me, how can I become fluent in English? And I give them only one answer. Don't chase fast results. Chase daily practice. Success is never sudden. It grows slowly through regular effort. English works exactly the same way. If you want fluency, make English a part of your everyday life. I didn't learn English from thick books. I learned it from real experiences. Every morning at 5 a.m., I would ride my bicycle to a nearby hotel where tourists stayed. I would offer to show them around my town completely free, just so I could listen and practice speaking. I had no money, but I had curiosity and determination. I wasn't fluent, but I showed up every single day. That consistency changed everything. If you want to grow in English, build a routine that you can follow easily. Begin your day with English. The moment you wake up, say a few simple lines out loud. For example, "Good morning. I am ready for a wonderful day." Speaking in the morning puts your brain into English mode for hours. It trains your mind to think in English without translating. Spend at least 10 minutes talking about your day. Say, "I'm going to work today. I have a meeting. I will finish my tasks." Speak loudly and clearly. When you speak out loud, you build fluency, confidence, and pronunciation all at once. Most people feel shy, but remember, if you don't speak, you won't improve. Speaking is like exercise. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. I used to talk to myself, to strangers, even to nature sometimes, because every word was practice. Let your mouth become your classroom. Listening is the foundation of any language. When you listen regularly, your brain absorbs natural pronunciation, tone, and rhythm without effort. Listen to English speeches, podcasts, songs, or motivational talks. You can listen while traveling, cooking, or walking. I used to listen to English radio every night, even when I understood very little. Slowly, everything started to make sense. Good listening improves speaking more effectively than grammar books ever will. Read short and simple English content every day. Articles, stories, or news headlines. Don't force yourself with difficult books. While reading, notice how sentences are formed. Simple words can express powerful ideas. Whenever you find a new word, use it immediately in a sentence. For example, if you learn the word achieve, say, "I will achieve my dreams." This is how vocabulary becomes part of your daily language. Shadowing is one of the best techniques to sound natural. Listen to a sentence and repeat it instantly. If the speaker says, "Believe in yourself," pause and copy the same tone. Shadowing improves accent, speed, and flow. English is like music. Feel its rhythm. Write something every day. Your thoughts, your routine, your goals. Writing helps you understand your mistakes and remember new words. Even 8 to 10 lines a day can make a huge difference over time. Before sleeping, write a small paragraph like, "Today, I learned something new." Daily writing makes you more confident and clear. A simple routine, small efforts, daily practice. These are the real secrets of English fluency.